Just open the Arduino IDE, search for Arduino, wait for it to load up. So I've got my IDE open, then I just go to File, Examples. You've got lots of examples that you can use. For today, we just use the basic, and we use the blink. First, I need to ensure that I'm using the IDE recognizes the right tool, so the right board I'm using. So go to Tools, Board, then select the Mega 2560. It's already plugged in, so it should recognize the port I'm using. So go to port, then COM5 in this particular case. Then you just compile and load it. So it's compiling, we just wait for it to finish compiling. It says download complete. So you should be able to see the board blinking. So what you have here is just a basic Arduino code. The void setup, the setup runs only once, and then the loop function runs forever. So this is where you want all your initial setups, where you want to define your LED pins and other sensor types when you're using them, and the actual logic function that you want the Arduino to run goes on in here. So for this particular code, it's using the built-in LED, which is pin 13, and obviously you set it up as an output because it's an LED, it's an indicator you want to see the actual light being controlled. So we're just going to make a slight modification to the loop function. What does this code do? It just writes a high to the LED, which means switch the LED on and then wait for 1 second, and switch the LED off and wait for another 1 second, and then the loop will continue. So basically just blink the LED. So what I'm going to add is put a for loop in there. So for int I equals 0. And we want to vary the delay that the LED blinks. So we're going to get it to blink faster and then slower with time. So let's say what we're going to do is just copy and paste this code. Actually, let's move the whole code in here. And what I want to do is just put the value of I times the delay. And we can move this to half a second. So let's see it work then. Compile and upload. You should be able to see the blue LED blink differently. So there is a bag. Let's see, size. So for int I equals 0. So it's upload complete. Vary this from 50 to 500 just to make it blink a little bit faster, and change the 0 to 1 so you can actually have value for the input and get it to blink. So you see the LED blink very fast, then it starts to slow down, get slower and get slower and get slower and slower.